What we're doing up here, we're recoating a 25,000 square foot roof with our recoat primer, which is Polyprime U, and 3 coats. The first coat is our 220SC Base Coat, which covers everything. The second coat will consist of our Polyurea 246SC, which they throw the 216 sand aggregate into. And the final coat will be the PolyGlaze 100SC. And that's the process they're in right now. The roof is in certain stages. They're putting primer and base coat in some areas today, sand coat in another area, and this has already been sand coated. All they need to do is top coat.
For more information, call Polycoat today